So Hong Kong is a vibrant and exciting city with many attractions to tourists. Here are some on the dark side, popular to tourist destination. Hong Kong, dark side. 1. About to check out the ladies' market first time in 3 years. Quite busy, just after 6. The ladies' market, located in the heart of Mong Kok. Ladies' market is a bustling street market known for its bargain shopping. Here you can find everything from clothing and luggage and accessories. Now we hit ladies' market. To electronics and toys and souvenirs.
So it's all on in Mong Kok, ladies' market, Simple Street market, fake shops, and good for shopping but can be a little bit overwhelming. So enjoy some bargaining in the markets, potter around, expect to be ripped off, but just have fun. The quintessential bamboo scaffolding and sheer teeth. Try some local food or whatever takes your fancy. Lots of choices here. Grab a beer, have a bite, beautiful. And the very big stereotype of Hong Street food in Mong Kok as they walk through.
Kowloon Park. Kowloon Park is a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city in Choi. It features beautiful gardens, a large aviary, and a swimming pool complex. It's a great place to relax and escape the hustle and bustle of the metropolis. Number 3, once you go to Mong Kok and TST, pop into iBar. It's a rooftop bar located in the heart of Hong Kong's central district. It offers a stunning city skyline and is a popular spot for locals and tourists alike. The drinks menu includes a wide selection of cocktails, wine and beer, as well as a range of non-alcoholic beverages. In addition to the drinks, iBar also offers a small selection of bar bites and snacks, including sushi, sashimi, and other Japanese-inspired dishes. One of the highlights of iBar is its outdoor terrace, which offers a panoramic view of Victoria Harbour. It's a great spot to relax and enjoy a drink or two while taking in the stunning scenery. Number 4, after tripping over to the Star Ferry, why not take the Star Ferry back to Hong Kong? It's been operating since 1888 and it offers a unique way to see the city and is a great way to travel between Hong Kong Island and Kowloon. These are just a few of the many tourist destinations in Hong Kong. Whether you're interested in shopping, sightseeing, or trying new foods, Hong Kong has something for everyone.
So all in all, Hong Kong is a great place to visit, to run, but it's also a great place to do some sightseeing and taste the local culture. And don't just stay on the island, get over and explore the dark side.